Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 4.2, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode and also remove a screen lock in the process. So to get started, you want to hold the power key, and let me first, actually before I shut off, show that the device has a screen lock, so you can see right there. So I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know the pattern to it. So let's select power off, and while the device is shutting off, you want to get a cable that you use for charging ready, plug it into your computer and have it on the side. So when the device actually powers off, plug it in. Give it a moment, it will start showing that it's charging. I'm just going to try to wiggle with the cable so I have some slack on it. There we go. So once you see that it's charging, you want to then hold power key and volume down, both of these keys at the same time. And when you feel the vibration, you can let go. And from here, you can unplug it. The cable is not needed anymore. So you want to use volume down to navigate, and you want to select recovery mode, which is visible right here in the red. Right at the top, the R is a little bit cut off, but still you can get that it's recovery mode. And from here, once it's selected, press power key and we should enter recovery mode. Okay, so before we have the no command Android, so hold power key and tap volume up once, like so, and now we're in recovery mode. So from here you want to use volume keys to navigate, like so. Volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And you want to select wipe data, factory reset, and when it's selected, press power key to confirm it. And in the same way, select yes. And you should see data wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you really need to do now is press power key to reboot the system. Now the process will actually continue in the background without actually showing anything, and it will look like the device might be stuck in turning on. Just don't worry, a couple more minutes and the device will power back on, and we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished. So you can set up your device as however you like, and when you're back in the home screen, the lock screen will be completely gone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.